Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you can make clickable thumbnails with Capcut. So this is my Capcut. I'm going to click on new project and then import a background that I downloaded from Google. So I'm going to click on aspect ratio 16.9. Yeah, as this is the standard or recommended YouTube thumbnail size. Okay, so I'm going to use my finger and drag the background so it can fit into the screen as I am doing here. Next, I'm going to click on overlay and select a picture that I would want to work with. So here am I trying to select one of these pictures. Then I've imported it to Capcut, and this is me trying to adjust the picture to where I want it to be. Okay, next I'm going to click on remove background, which I just did. And yeah, so after removing the background, I noticed there are some things I wouldn't really want to be there. So I'm also, while my cursor is still there, I'm also going to click on custom removal, still on remove background, and then carefully trim out the excesses. Okay, you can take your time and do this. If you feel like maybe at first you didn't do it well, you can always start afresh. Okay, so after that I'll click on remove background, and yeah, this is what I have. Okay, so I'll keep adjusting it until I am satisfied with the position of the photo. So you keep trying to fit it in to the right place you want it to be. Keep zooming out and zooming in until you're satisfied. Okay, so you play with it, try different positions, and yeah, once you're okay with it, that's it. So next I'm going to click on add overlay and import my Capcut logo that I downloaded from Google. Okay, so I'll fit it here, reduce it to my desired taste. Okay, zoom out, zoom in, just trying to make it look okay. Once that is done, I'm going to go on ahead and click on text. Okay, so here I'll enter a topic that I like, which in this case is thumbnail tutorial. So I'm going to carefully choose the font I want, my desired style, my desired effect, and yeah, so here am I trying to put in the second text, which is tutorial. So I'll make sure I add a background to the text. Okay, so you can either add the background or you remove a background. So in this case, I'm trying to check which one works better, and should I leave it without a background or should I leave it with a background. So I'm still trying to experiment the options. So next is to add or click on filters as well as adjust. Okay, and we are going to choose this HSL button, and it comes out like this. So here I'm trying to pop out the colors in my project so that everything will stand out. So as you can see, the background is yellow. So if I tap on that yellow circle and then adjust the saturation, you will notice that the yellow background pops out or pops up more. I don't know if you can notice that. Okay, so any color that is in this project that you tap on and you increase it, it will kind of give it more color, like it will be a more colorful view. All right, so I'm trying to, you know, make the colors pop. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm trying to do here. I think this is a better view. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Please give my video a thumbs up and as well subscribe to my channel if you find this tutorial interesting. So yeah, next is to export the video so that it will save to my phone gallery. Once that is done, I'll crop it. Yeah, our thumbnail is ready. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.